Today, you have a new classmates and I want you, all of you, to be good at her. Please come in. Can you please introduce yourself to your classmate?
Hello everyone, my name is Ingrid Alvaro, 18. I came from Cebu to Manila. My family died in a car accident and I'm now currently living at my lola's house. And I hope we all became friends.
Okay, thank you. Please take a seat beside Miss Ingrid.
Hi Lisa, I'm not familiar with this school. I don't know where to eat. Can I just join with you? Yeah. Guys, this is Giving. Giving with my friends. I'm Ivy. Hello, I'm Grace. Hi, I'm Ivy. Hello, I'm Arya Ibong. Yeah, just call me Ibong. Hi, I'm Nieves, but you can call me Snow. Hi, I'm Ivy. By the way, this is Freya. Just don't mind her. Hi, Freya.
Good morning, class. Today we have an activity and roll yourselves into fiberglass.
Guys, kulang pa tayo ng isa. Oo nga! Ewan! Si Lisa na. Lisa, lika rito. Lagay mo lang. Wala eh. Wala kasi akong kilala. Tsaka nahihiya ako.
Ang ganon, gusto mo doon ka na lang ganun. Sino ako makilala sa mga klase natin?
Okay lang ba sa'yo na hindi mo kasama yung mga kabut?
Okay lang naman, doon ako ha, hagpan.
Wala si Arya. Hindi ko makaalam eh. So, change the topic. Kilala niyo ba si Ate? Yung may jowa na bang? Kumukha ko kasi.
Okay, class, arrange your chairs and class dismissed.
Stop blaming her. You're causing too much trouble.
Where is Snow? Did you do this? Did you?
Why are you accusing me?
Are you out of your mind?
I'm just trying to help. Guys, I think you should see this.
What the hell, Snow? Is that you? Oh my god. No wonder she always gets high grades.
I really thought she's smart like her other friends.
Hey, you better watch your mouth. What did you say again?
Here's your killer friend.
What are you talking about? Just admit it. You're the only reason why our classmate took her own life.
The reason why our other classmates can pay the tuition is because we are taking money.
Who's your next target, huh? I didn't kill her. It was her decision, okay? Why do you care?
Blah, blah, blah.
Hey, Freya, stop! Let them go!
Oh, get your hands off me!
Hey, where are you going?
Is that true, Freya?
What do you mean, her? I didn't kill her!
I'm not saying that you killed her. I was just asking if it's true.
So fine, guys, we're constantly looking at us. Let them look. I don't care anymore. We are already ruined. Why don't you just say what you guys are hiding?
That's nonsense. What are you talking about, Freya?
Oh, stop acting so innocent, Sal. I know that you are the father of Artist child. I know everything. I know about our friendship.
We were drunk. I didn't mean to get her pregnant.
Why would you tell us in the first place?
I was scared. I wasn't ready to be a father yet. Where did you get that video from?
None of your business.
It is my business because I am involved in this situation. You'd better tell me where you get that video from, whether you like it or not.
And you, Briggs,
What? Me? What did I do?
you're a killer. You killed your sister.
You're totally out of your mind, Freya. I will never do that to my sister.
Then how would you explain this?
That was an accident. I didn't think on purpose. I never meant to kill my sister.
See? You are the killer, not me.
Stop that, Freya.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Principal.
As we hear a sad news that Mr. Garcia was terminated last week, so I will introduce to you your new PE and Health teacher. Okay, Mrs. Spaghetti Carbonara, I will be leaving you now.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Lisa. Morning, everyone. I am Miss Spaghetti Carbonara, your new subject teacher in PE and Guys, Lisa is sleeping. So I was right.
Evie, what do you feel?
Stop, Lisa. I know everything. You did all of this. It's your fault why our friends is miserable now.
Our friends? No, Evie. They are my friends. You stole them from me. Before you came to our life, our friendship was almost perfect. If not because of me, you're just nobody.
How could you think to me that way? I never stole them from you, Lisa. It wasn't my fault if they like me more than they like you.
Oh, really? Or you're just a girl who wants everyone's attention? In short, a attention seeker.
You're just jealous.
How dare you?
No! What the hell are you doing? I didn't mean it. We just talked about something and she attacked.
Really, Evie? Do you think we really believe you? Lisa will
be in prison.
Great job.
They deserve it.